As you can see, trading volume has dropped significantly since 2021. And it's evident that, this instability has kept all these major IPs that we've worked with in Web 2 from entering the Web 3 space. Our solution directly addresses this hesitation. Our solution is RWA Prize GameFi. What is that? It's GameFi, but with RWAs as prizes. We combine that with prize games, which are simple games like Gacha, where you turn a knob and you win a prize. We combine the simplicity of casual prize games with the security of RWAs to attract players and brands. We call this RWA Prize GameFi. Our target, let me go on and play a video. Thank you. So that was a quick demo video of what our product's going to look like. Before that, so this is the target market that we're aiming at. We think that the market potential is undeniable. In Japan alone, prize games are becoming a big boom and account for over 25% of the entire gaming market. And currently, everyone is flocking into online gachas that you see on the screen. It's a rapidly growing market too, because users are drawn to the thrill of winning big. Whether it's rare collectibles, trading cards, or shoes, they want to play simple games to win big prizes. Same for our platform. We offer players the excitement of gacha games combined with real rewards. It's fun, easy to play, and gives users the chance to win high-value items in a secure environment. Our system is designed to overcome the problems Web 2 gacha players faced. Web 2 gacha players had to play the gacha, win, then post it on eBay, have it sold, delivered, and finally they receive their cash. By using RWAs, our users can play, win, and then sell instantly on our marketplace. How it works? Our platform is very simple. Once users win a prize, they can burn their RWAs to have it delivered worldwide. They can exchange them for points or opt for a buyback and sell. Also, by holding our tokens, users can unlock features like creating their own gacha. Projects can work with us to create their own merch and their own gacha on our platform as well. The business model. For Web3 players, participation is going to be free. Just deposit SOL tokens and we take care of the rest. Those tokens are staked with services like Jito, earn yield through LSD tokens, which we further stake on Sanctum or other services for additional returns. On the other hand, Web2 players can play simply by using credit cards like they're used to. We welcome all types of users. This is our platform. Our challenge is to create a unique little world for casual games and bringing in the Japanese slot machine vibes to offer a unique experience. This is the vibe we have on our platform, the artwork, and the products. The prizes, which are going to be the products we procured from all those Web2 brands we've worked in the past, and we're also in talks to create Web3 collab items with Solana brand IPs like Monkey DAO, Star Palace, and so on. And most importantly, impact on Solana. Our challenge, we think, is to bring a lot of users and developers to the Solana ecosystem. What we think we can do is we aim to mint about 10,000 NFTs onto Solana every month and also bring major IPs into the Web3 space. Also, the good thing is, Web2 users will be trading NFTs without even realizing they're interacting with the blockchain because it's done in the back end. This seamless experience will bring, I think, a significant number of transactions on Solana. Also, beyond gacha games, we're working with other indie game creators as well. We're going to incubate indie games and bring them onto the Solana ecosystem and bring a lot of games onto the ecosystem that players can play. These are some of the samples of other simple games, prize games that users can be able to play. We have more than 30,000 users on our waitlist, and we'll bring more with further collaborations with Web3 brands, and new games like the one we showed you will bring more users too. We're kicking off this December with the pre-launch of our platform. In the first quarter of 2025, we'll officially roll out our gacha games and token launch. These are some of the products we have in line. We have prepared a lot of our products, and we're excited to welcome a lot of players to our platform. Thank you. And I'd like to go on for a quick demo of our site. So this is our demo that we created recently. We have the gachas lined up that users can play. First off, we're going to log in. So as I said, we're welcoming Web 2 users and Web 3 users. So Web 2 users can log in with the normal email and register, and we'll create a wallet for them in the back end without them knowing it. But if you know a wallet and you have wallets, you can log in with Phantom, which I will do right here. And once you log in, of course, they'll show you your wallet, how much SOL you have in balance, and candies. So candies are the currency of this platform. And of course, you'll be able to top up using SOL or top up using credit card as well. So let's go play one gacha. I'm going to play the Dragon Ball gacha. We're going to have bear bricks. We're going to have trading cards, but they're going to go with Dragon Ball. So once you go here, you'll be able to see what's inside this gacha. So you'll have super rare, you have rare tickets, less common, and so on. And of course, you'll be trying to aim for the super rare. You can check, you can buy how many tickets. So one spin is going to be 10 candies, like I said. The candy is the currency of the platform. So I'm going to buy 10 tickets with 100 candies. And once you do, I'm going to play now. So all right, so I spent 10 times, but I only got the normal, but this is my luck today. Once I do, I can sell instantly for SOL. We will buy it back, or I can exchange it for candy tokens, which of course will be used to spin again, or I can choose to ship. If I ship, I burn the RWAs and I have it delivered to addresses worldwide. And I'll go back to my inventory and I'll see the RW NFTs that I have. And in the future, as I said, you'll be able to spin and sell on our marketplace or create gachas after getting your own RWAs from the marketplace as well. And you'll be able to deposit to play as well and see who the live winners are. I hope this wasn't too quick and you were able to understand our product. And like I said, we're very excited to be here. Thanks for having us. And if you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer. Thanks so much.
Thank you for your great presentation. And I have one question. Why you should choose the Solana blockchain? I don't understand why you should choose not Ethereum or other chain, but you choose Solana.
Yeah, of course. Our founder actually has experience in the Ethereum ecosystem, and he has experience in making NFTs there as well. But we've migrated here because, first of all, the ecosystem is amazing. Second, the people are amazing, and three, the collaboration is, it's so forward thinking, and we've been able to collaborate with many projects here as well. And we already have in talks with, for example, Honeycomb to create the NFTs here and do all the transactions there and everything as well. And of course, the LST tokens, we're going to do, and be able to do deposit sold to play, which I think is going to be a great feature for all our sub holders.
Thank you. I got it. Thank you.
I see there are a few questions from Chief. Karthik, first, do you rev share with the IPs?
Yes. So first of all, the Web2 IPs, of course, we will rev share. It's either rev share or we create all the merch for free for them, and we receive the profits. They can choose. For example, for some of the Web3 Web3 IPs we're going to collaborate with, we're going to create all the merch for them for free, and we're going to create the gotchas for them for free, but we'll receive profits. And I think that's going to be a very interesting business proposal for them, because they won't have any upfront costs, but we will be able to welcome in their community to our platform, and I think it's a win-win.
Any plans to expand to in real life locations to play?
Great question. So what's interesting is that I told you that we have online gachas, but there are crane games, right? And crane games are something that can be replicated online, but you can live stream a robot playing a crane game for you. It's kind of very retro Web2. And these are prize games as well, and we want to do these kind of IRL but online initiatives as well, definitely. And we're probably going to do it in Tokyo. Yeah.
How are the real world assets shipped? In other words, can you play international?
Of course. So yes, you just enter your address worldwide, and we ship worldwide. As I said, we've been creating merch for these major IPs since forever, and we've been shipping them internationally. So we have the logistics system and everything. So that part is fine-tuned.
What is the wait list for? Is there going to be a mint?
Yes. So we're gonna have an only members. How'd you call it? We're just gonna have a alpha test kind of a phase, and users will be able to do that first, the people on the wait list. And of course, we're going to have the starter NFTs, which will generate their own gachas. When they're on the wait list, they'll have the starter NFTs, which will then be used to create gachas if they want to in the future.
And the final question, also, what type of games are collabing with you, and what is the incentive for the games? Is it for brand or IP exposure?
Right. So I think the question means what other games than gacha are we going to collaborate with? And let me just share my screen again. I'll be really quick. First of all, we know a lot of indie game creators, and we want to bring them onto RWA, Web3, and Solana. For example, this is a simple game. I hope you can see my screen, but they are creating their own Wagyu. Wagyu is famous Japanese beef. So it's like a Tamagotchi, but it's beef, it's cows. And they're gonna create their own farm. They're going to grow their cows and make good beef, make good Wagyu. And once they do that, it's going to become an RWA. They can exchange their online cow into actual beef, actual Wagyu, and they'll be able to burn it and we'll deliver it worldwide. The same thing for rice. They can create their own rice. There are these fun, exciting Web2 games, indie games that we want to bring to RWA. So we think it's an absolute match. And imagine creating your own beef online and having it shipped to you. How fun would that be?
Awesome. I see that's the end of the questions from Karthik. Is there any other judges who would like to ask? If we don't have any other questions, let's move on to the next team. Oh, Angchen asked, what stage are you at?
Hey, thanks for the question. So we are about to release the first alpha January next year, and we're going to gradually roll out. And yeah, start. We have the demo site. It is our MVP, but we are about to release.
Do you have any customers yet?
Right. So for online gachas, we have traction already on Web 2. And like I said, online gachas, they just play and they have to have it shipped before they can sell. So we just want to migrate all those Web 2 online gacha players to Web 3. Yes, we do have players already, but they're Web 2.
Okay, so that's the end of the questions from Angchen. I think we can move on to the next team now. Team Windfall, please come up on stage.
Thank you. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Not for now. I can't
Oh.
see screen. I can see you. See a screen.
Okay, thank you much.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, Jim. So yeah, I'm Yutaro, co-founder of Windfall. Yeah. Thank you for this opportunity. Yes, I'm glad to introduce my project. And okay. So yeah, Windfall is a lossless gamble. Players can enjoy gambling and earn rewards without risking their money. So why are we dropping this? Because I think many crypto products are high risk and limiting broad adoption. In the case of Solana and beyond, the booming meme coin trend is filled with scams, insiders, and bot trading, causing many retail investors to incur losses. So yeah, that's why we came up with the solution, Lossless Gamble. We offer a unique, low-risk, and fun earning experiences, providing the thrill of gambling with a low-risk basis. Okay. So here is the product flow. Firstly, users start by depositing SOL, and based on the amount of deposited, they earn gaming points, which can be used to bet and play gambling games. And then through depositing and gaming play, users accumulate points and compete in seasonal rankings. And finally, at the end of the season, rewards are distributed based on the rankings. Yeah, and the rewards come from the profits generated by staking or restaking the SOL that user have deposited.
Hi, hi Jotaro. So could you share us the slide because some folks they cannot see your screen.
Sorry,
Yeah.
one more screen.
I see the link in the comment section. Please continue.
So you can see my screen now?
I saw it before, but it's lost now. But we do have like a link to your presentation in the comment section, so please just continue.
Okay. Thank you.
Could you restart the presentation?
Okay. Sorry. Thank you so much. Restart from. Okay. So. Okay. So you see my screen on your device?
Personally, I don't, but I think you can just start from the start of your presentation.
Okay. Sorry. なんだろう。Okay. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I will restart presentation. Okay. Okay, just from first page. Sorry. Yeah.
Let's
okay.
start from the first page.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, winner four is lossless gamble, and players can enjoy gambling and earn rewards without risking their money. So yeah, and why are we developing this? Because many crypto products are high risk and limiting broad adoption. And yeah, in the case of Solana and beyond, the booming meme coin trend is filled with scams, insiders, and bot trading, causing many retail investors to incur losses. Okay, so yeah, that's why we came up with the solution, Lossless Gamble. We offer a unique, low-risk and fun earning experiences, providing the thrill of gambling with a low-risk basis. Okay, and yeah, moving to page 5. Yeah, here's the product flow. Firstly, users start by depositing SOL. Then, based on the amount deposited, they earn gaming points, which can be used to play gambling games. And then, through depositing and gaming play, user accumulate points and compete in seasonal rankings with each other. And finally, at the end of each season, rewards are distributed to users based on the rankings. And the reward itself comes from the profits generated by staking or restaking the source that users have deposited. And yeah, let me share the quick demo video.
Welcome to Windfall. Wow, the prize.
Sorry, can you see my demo video on the page 7?
Yeah,
okay. So yeah.
Welcome to Windfall. Wow, the prize pool has grown significantly. Here's how you can claim your rewards. Firstly, by depositing SOL, users earn service points that affect their ranking. You can withdraw your SOL anytime. Secondly, earn more points by playing games. Enjoy luck-based games in collaboration with Solana IPs. Finally, at the end of each 2-week season, points are tallied and rewards are distributed based on rankings. Rewards come from SOL deposits, which are converted into Winsol, a liquid staking token from Sanctum. Both Winsol staking returns and Jito restaking earnings are added to the prize pool for distribution. Additionally, Windfall is available on PC, wallet browsers, and Telegram. Welcome to Windfall.
Okay, so yeah, moving to page 8. And then let me share our current traction. Our concept announcement on X received significant attention, generating 150,000 impressions. And as a result, we have gathered a wait list of over 20,000 users and achieved third place in the gaming track of the recent Radar Hackathon. And yeah, moving to page 9. Here is a sample of our game. We are developing casual luck-based gaming that can be easily played on mobile devices, and the design is familiar to Solana users because featuring collaboration with Solana IPs. And yeah, moving to page 10. And yeah, this is why now section. There are three key reasons. Firstly, the first one is remarkable growth of DeFi ecosystem. Solana's DeFi ecosystem is becoming more mature and making it easier to build DeFi products that, leverage its composability. And the second reason is rising interest in mobile-first consumer apps, with anticipated delivery of Seeker by mid next year. So yeah, Solana is interested in mobile-first consumer apps, growing rapidly. And the third reason is shifting from high risk to low risk trend. This is just my thought, but following the revenue decline of pumped fund as a notable example, we believe the market is climbing back towards low risk experiences. Yeah. And yeah, moving to page 11. This is a business model section, and yeah, unlike most games, we adopt an asset under management model. So our revenue is generated by multiplying the total deposit TPL by the basis yield efficiency, and then applying a platform fee percentage to the resulting amount. And yeah, moving to page 12. And yeah, here's our team. Our team we're versed in gaming, DeFi, and IP. So yeah, bring together expertise from these key areas to drive the product forward. And yeah, going to page 30. So yeah, although it has been just 6 months since we started building our project on Solana, we have already established connection with many key project founders and KOLs within Solana ecosystem. This has been made possible thanks to Solana's builder-friendly culture, and we are committed to strengthening this relationship further and leveraging them to drive the success of our project. Okay, so yeah, finally, let me share working demo with you. So reshare our. Sorry, I will share the link or the comment areas. So this is a moving demo working on DevNet. Okay, so yeah, firstly connect one-time wallet, and yeah, this is a top page. You can see the price pool and your gaming point. Gaming point is named as Rack, and
Excuse me, are you sharing your screen?
Sorry, I will. Yes, I can. Yeah, I share, but sorry. Sorry.
Really? Sorry. I can see it. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, this is a top page of the gaming, and yeah, you can see the price pool and your gaming points, as the name of Rack, and the gaming list in the rankings. And yeah, as I mentioned, firstly, user should deposit SOL. Oh, yeah. So yeah, let's deposit 0.01 SOL. And yeah, you can get gaming points, and the ranking is going up to 4th. And by playing the gaming, you can increase or decrease your gaming points. So yeah, play the Mindset People game with collaboration with Bonk Inu. Sorry. This is a simple luck-based gaming. So you set the betting points. Its difficulty 1 to 4 is the most difficult. So yeah, let's start. Yeah, there are blocks per line and it's one blocks. And if it's point, betting point is much some rates. based on your strategy, and if you won, you are game over, so you lose all your betting points. And sorry, it's gaming demo, and through continue depositing and playing gaming, you increase your gaming points and going up to rankings. So this is a basic flow for users. And and one more thing, I will reshare my screen again. Okay, so and sorry, let me share link on comment. So we haven't officially announced it yet, but we recently issued Windsor, our own custom LSD, and it has already been purchased in the amount of like 2,500 SOL. We are currently reaching out to Solana OGs or LSD holders to gradually increase the number of holders, but encourage you to become an early holder. Thank you so much. So please your questions or comments.
Thank you for your presentation, Team Windfall. I can see the questions from Angan. The user never loses their stake SOL. They're just gambling the LSD that's generated. Is that correct? And what's the interest rate for WinSol?
It's correct. And the rate WinSol is like 10 to 12%.
I can see questions from Karthik. What are some IPs that you're currently working with?
Yes, I'm working with Bonk, Monk, and Matrats.
What is the utility of the NFT that is being launched?
Thank you. Honestly, I'm not determined issuing NFTs, but if it issued, the utility of NFT is like boosting the depositing. Like if you staking your NFT, you can get a boost for depositing. So you can multiply getting points by depositing. Like is this makes sense?
What is the end game goal? And for example, Windfall becomes the #1 platform on Solana. What is the long-term vision of your platform?
Vision is like onboarding Web2 users to use to Solana, like the gaming integration with DeFi or financial mechanism is unique to Web3 areas. So it's so in the Web2 areas they can't play some lossless gamble experience or like that. So we would like to onboarding Web2 users to Web3 by some unique gaming experiences.
Thank you. And one question from Angchen. Why do you think degens and gamblers will want to just gamble with this DexSol? Who is this project targeted towards?
Okay, thank you so much. And I think usual usual degens or gamblers don't like playing our games because it's not high risk and high return. So our target user is some casual degens or casual gamblers, you know, so they like to lower risk and but enjoy some risk or like to have some opportunity of getting a much amount of money or yeah. So sorry, does it make sense? So I think that their graduation in the users for DJs or gamblers. So yeah, I like the target user is low or middle DJs or yeah, like that.
Oh, thank you. It's almost time. 네. 19.
Thank you, Team Winfall, for your presentation. So I would like to invite the next team, Team Lutgo. Please come up on stage.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Cool. Let me share my screen. This is like, I think there's some issue with screen share.
You could also share the link to your presentation in the comment section.
Oh yeah, sure. I just sent it the link in the comment. Okay. And let me try again to share my screen. Just a second. All right. Okay, it seems like screen share doesn't work. So let me just go with the pitch, and then yeah, please check the pitch from the comment I just shared. So yeah, again, so I'm Yuki from Rootgo team. And Rootgo is like a Pokemon Go, but collecting meme coins. So turning your daily life into a treasure hunt for finding the next 100x meme coin. So next slide. So crypto, especially meme coins, so provide massive upside, but it's still hard to get started. So I think, yeah, tech and experience is still not just designed for everyday people, but we think the biggest barrier,
Sorry? Can you share your screen?
Oh, so it seems like there's some issue about the screen share. I cannot share it.
Really?
Maybe let me. Maybe I can go out again.
Yuki, maybe you could try share your screen instead of him.
Okay.
I see Karthik saying that the link that you provided cannot be accessed.
Okay, just a second. Sorry, I just sent it again. If Yuki-san shared your screen, I think that'll be perfect.
I can see this presentation. Sorry, I'll share your presentation.
Oh, can you? Oh, yeah. I think somehow screen share doesn't work. So hopefully the link I just shared now works. Oh yeah.
Sorry.
Thanks.
Okay. Sorry, Yuki-san. Can you share the screen for him?
Me. Okay, of course. Sorry, it's the same name, so sorry. Sorry. Oh. Case. Oh, sorry. Can you see me?
Oh yeah. You can see your Discord.
Yeah.
Hi, Yuki-san. Can you take a presentation?
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
but I think we can see your Discord. Not the page.
Good. Sorry, I don't understand.
多分ディスコードのスクリーンが見えてて、
はい。これ見えてないんですね。
じゃなくって感じです。
ごめんなさい。もう一回やります。
すいません。
すいません。自分の画面で。これ見えてます？
まだディスコードですね。
ごめんなさい。じゃあ私のそうですね。
Maybe I can just go through the page. And hopefully you can follow the link.
助けてもらえたりしますか？画面シェアを。
今、can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Sorry for taking time. So maybe I will just start again. So yeah, Ludo is like Pokemon Go with collecting meme coins. So in real life, so turning your daily life into a treasure hunt for finding the next 100x meme coins. So crypto provide like massive upside, but it's still hard to get started. And yeah, one of the reasons is like tech and experience is still kind of difficult or not yet designed for the everyday people, everyday users. But we think the biggest barrier for them is most apps and games are pay to play. So you cannot do anything without paying upfront. So what if there's a fun and free way to earn meme coins to create their first crypto portfolio? That reduces barrier to being on chain and then trading. So LootGo creates like the smoothest onboarding for non-crypto users by earning meme coins for free. So users collect loot boxes from walking and they're open to get random meme coins and build a crypto portfolio. It's literally a treasure hunt to find your next 100x meme coins. So it's progressive onboarding from crypto levers by daily habit to starting to trade crypto all in the same app. So once players start owning coins through daily treasure hunts, which is funded by Reward Ad, they have a skin in the game. So we tap into the excitement and then FOMO when they see their meme coins portfolio going like 2x or 10x. It encourages them to top up more and then trade to catch larger payouts. So LootGo combines like best practice of Web2 and Web3 to become an easy front end for anyone to interact on chain and capture order flow. So the walk and earn with Reward Ad is already proven for as a mobile app even in Web2, but we add the excitement of potential upside instead of flat reward. And it's free to play, so they can start building their first crypto portfolio for free. And then with seamless onboarding, thanks to an embedded wallet, easy on-ramp, and a fast and cheap transaction. One major difference from other move to earn app is like LootGo itself is not speculative, but it's a platform to give access to speculative assets. So LootGo doesn't depend on like one or depend on like one coin's price because we collate several coins. So this diversification of those coins or investment creates more stronger retention through daily habits. So the beauty here is like we create a win-win-win situation. So while players can become healthier and wealthier, the meme coin community could get the distribution and community engagement. And we can acquire and entertain users without self-emission of our token. So why Solana? So there's more composable option around tech, like we love Jupiter for trading and then use Feed protocol for like on-chain randomness, and then planning to integrate Sanctum for our own LFTs and distribute the native yield as a loot box reward as well. And Solana has the obviously most active retail users, which we want to target. And Solana is like a meme coin capital, which we could work more together. So as a GTM, we will onboard crypto native first by having collab with meme coin community and the Solana game community as well. But we believe we can reach out mass users who start to get interested in meme coin through like TikTok Meta or speculated referral mechanics. So as a business model, like Reward Ads covers the distribution cost of meme coins and then make unit economics positive. And most revenue upside will be coming from trading fees. With a flick of treasure hand, LootGo can be like a go-to front end for non-crypto users to buy or sell meme coin. And we can also create a win-win relationship with meme coins by providing a engaging community experience and exposures to new users. It's something like a location-based airdrop. So our team has a track record building real-life social apps on Firecaster and working with like the biggest Japanese enterprise to launch their on-chain consumer project. So helping them to build something on-chain for their mass consumers. And for example, like we work with Tokyu, which is like one of Japanese leading conglomerates and own like the biggest shopping malls in Shibuya, like Ichimaku, and then launch Shibuya Tekken Pokers. Basically, like by going around Shibuya, you can collect NFT trump cards and then battle with other players. So we already had our experience to provide location-based experience to entertain not only like crypto native people, but more for like mass users. And with meme coin excitement, I believe we can onboard more people on chain with it. So we're crypto native and then start working together around 2 years ago, and then from like East Global India Hackathon, and they had great experience to build on-chain project for mass consumers. And let me go through a quick demo. So we will make it as a mobile app, but for now we just make it as PWA so it's easier to test. So users can log in with email, so anyone can just use it and then create a wallet for them. There you go. And we'll allow once I allow the locations, the loot boxes will appear around where I am. So so this is where I'm right now, and then this is like loot box placed. So basically, in the real gameplay, once you going to close enough to the loot box, like 10 meters, you can get the meme coins from it. And then for now, you can just open it as a test. And then when we are doing it, we could have kind of randomly calculated which token to get and also how much we get. And then basically, it's expected value is calculated based on the reward and how much they could get as well. Oops. Sorry, the transaction might not work now. But if it works, the test will open and then you could get the tokens from here. And I think it works now. It was kind of having a delay. But once it works, oh yeah, maybe I got like 563 bonk just now from this loot boxes, and you can see this go to the portfolio, and also from here you can see other tokens here. And then yeah, as I mentioned, that if I want to expose myself more to the bonk, you can just buy and sell from here as well. And if you want to add not only just buying from store, but you can do on lamps from Apple Pay, so that it will be easier for anyone to, you know, increase their portfolio and then trying to buy and sell more as well, not only just getting it from the treasure hunt part as well. But yeah, I think that's it from my end. Thank you so much, and then sorry for the inconvenience earlier.
Thank you, Team LootGo, for your judges. Please send in your questions.
So
I
thank
can
you
see
for the
some
question.
Yes, please
Oh.
continue.
Oh yeah, thank you. So for the first question about the how it's connected with Farcaster, so basically we are planning to launch it as a separate project. So yeah, the one we launched on Farcaster already had a good tractions, but it's very much like Farcaster native. So what we are planning to do this time is like based on the lesson from building this Farcaster product, we are making more fun experience, which is not only for the crypto people, but also the mass users as well. So actually we are planning to launch it as a separate app. And then actually the one we built on Farcaster was PWA, but we are planning to launch as a mobile app. So that's what we are planning to do. And in terms of how we acquire the meme tokens for distribution, it's basically we just buy it. That's what we are planning to do as main way to acquire, because obviously we're now in the discussion with few meme coin communities to have a partnership, and then we could have a not grant, but we could have a fund to distribute as their marketing campaigns. But if we just rely on those kind of partnership, it will be kind of bottleneck for us to expand our population. So we are thinking to basically just buy ourselves, and then we will compensate it with reward ad revenue, so that when they watch reward ad to multiply their rewards, user watch it, we could make unit economics positive. So that's the main way for us to acquire the meme coin. So thank you, Chief, for the question. And yes, thanks, Saigon, as well for the question. And then yes, thank you for your comments. So the purpose of doing the treasure hunt, make this a stand. Oh, okay. So yeah, we are planning to make this treasure hunt for integrated with a learning app. So inside the app, we also track like a number of steps, but also like we will. Oh, I see. Yes, thanks. So yeah, we are planning to make it as a standalone app. Sorry, as an initial step. But I think, yeah, as you said, this could be also another opportunity for us to integrate. Provide like an API for them to show the treasure hunt on their learning app as well. So as a first step, we will launch it by ourselves, but obviously we are thinking to be like an infra for other learning app which already has users to integrate it to increase the new source of revenue and also more excitement to the users. I think that's definitely one opportunity we are considering. And in terms of which meme token to use, as you said, partnership is one thing, but as a main funding source, we will just buy it by ourselves, and then at that time, we don't buy something pretty much low cap. I think we will mainly buy something like a mid cap to the large cap, which at least have around like 50 million market cap or something like that. So at least we have kind of less possibility to be lagged because our user will be more like mass users. So we want to avoid that people will be lagged, but still having a chance to have a like 2x to 10x. So that's the how we decide the mean point. And for attracting Web2 users, it's definitely like how to call this more typical Web2 marketing. So it includes like for example, TikTok and also like mobile ad as well, because actually one of the top hit apps like from this 2024 was called SoundMap, which is like collecting music around the world. I mean, real life by walking. So, and then their main source of the users were also from TikTok as well. And I think our concept is very easy for them to capture and also create the video. Like you just go to the park next to you and then get like $10 or something like that. So it's very easy to create a catchy video as well. So I think that kind of things, including like working with like lifestyle influencers or like, it's also one way to attract more Web2 users. But I think mainly we focus on TikTok marketing. And making Telegram mini app. That's really good question. So we're thinking about it as a Telegram mini app, but also Line mini app as well, because the how to call this in Japan, the biggest lifestyle app right now with number of download is called Line Walk. So people basically getting line point by walking. So basically what we provide is giving meme coin by walking. So the concept is pretty same, but having more excitement or having more potential upside. So I think these users are definitely very aligned. So we are considering not only Telegram mini app, but also Line mini app as a distribution. And I think that's also another way to attract Web2 users. So and then for the last question for roadmap and traction. So traction wise, we, as I mentioned earlier, as for the Podcaster product or our previous PWA product, we already have a good amount of traction, like 150K check-in from like 5 months or something like that. And not only that, we also work with top enterprise in Japan to provide the experience to their mass consumers as well. So we're maximizing this traction to onboard those users to the new apps again. And also by maximizing this track record, we are now increasing the waitlist users. And in terms of roadmap, for the short term, we are planning to have early access next January with limited access for the for the people who did waitlist. Then I think our app itself will be launched around February, and then maybe at the same time around a bit later, like March, we are planning to launch mini app on Telegram and then Line as well. So those are the main roadmap for next 3 months to release our app in different places, and then at the same time, on the background, we will also talk with different meme coin communities so that we could not only just launch it by ourselves, but also we can launch together with those people to attract more users as well. So that's I think first 3 months roadmap. I mean for the Q1 in 2025, and I think that's the main answers.
There are 2 minutes left. 1 minute left. If any other judges have any questions, please send in the comment.
yeah, thank you so much for those great questions.
I think there are no more questions for Team Lutgo. And with that, we have concluded our pitching session today. The final results will be announced later tonight. And once again, I want to thank you all for an engaging and inspiring session today. Yeah. Any other questions from the judges can be sent to your team later on. All right. Yuki, do you have any last words to say to the teams before we close this session?
Thank you, Rai. I think these three projects are very great, and thank you for your judges and ask them the questions. I think that was a very nice presentation. Thank you.
Thank you. And with that, I would like to officially conclude our morning session of the demo day. We will have the results by tonight, and please continue to participate in the upcoming activities and upcoming events from Super Team. We will have a lot more going on in the next year also. Thank you all for joining.